First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ekamelia from class 25 SEA and my partner.
My name is Parazalisha Aurelio, and we will make an explanatory video about background of research video about The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway. So in this study, we analyze The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway, a novel that portrays the struggle of an old fisherman named Santiago. Santiago faces many limitations such as old age, physical weakness, and repeated failure. Despite the condition, he continued to struggle against nature and against his own limitation. The novel presents an interesting phenomenon in the form of a paradox between physical defeat and moral victory. Although Santiago loses his great catch because it's eaten by shark, he does not lose his dignity or self-respect. This shows that failure does not always mean destruction, and that struggle and endurance are often more meaningful than the final result. The main phenomenon highlighted in this novel is that physical defeat does not necessarily mean moral defeat. Even though Santiago fails materially, he remains morally strong. Furthermore, suffering and limitation reveal inner human strength. Santiago's pain, loneliness, and exhaustion demonstrate his courage and determination rather than weakness. Most importantly, human dignity can still be maintained despite failure. Santiago becomes a symbol of a human being who can be destroyed but not defeated. This reflects the existential struggle of humans in real life, where dignity is defined by perseverance rather than success. This research is important because it examines human dignity through Santiago's struggle. The study shows how humans confront failure, suffering, and the limitation of each with responsibility and courage. In modern society, people are often valued based on material, success, or achievement. However, this novel empathizes that human failure is not determined by result, but by attitude, effort, and perseverance. Through Santiago's experience, readers learn that dignity lies in how one faces hardship, not in what one gains.
And the research gap. Most previous studies on The Old Man and the Sea have mainly focused on Christian symbolism, heroic values, and Hemingway's writing style. However, the relationship between defeat, human dignity, and existential struggle has not been deeply and integratively analyzed. Because of this gap, there is still limited discussion on how failure itself can become a source of dignity. Therefore, this research aims to fill that gap by applying an existentialist approach to explore how Santiago's struggle represents human dignity amid loss and suffering. And then, field of study. This research is situated within literary criticism and literary theory, particularly existentialism and human dignity. Existentialism focuses on themes such as freedom, responsibility, meaning of life, struggle, and individual suffering. Through this approach, the study explained how Hemingway portrays humans as beings who possess freedom, responsibility, and dignity, even in the most difficult circumstances. Ultimately, this research highlights that human dignity persists through struggle and that true victory lies not in material success, but in the courage to endure.